In this tutorial, I will show you how to hide or unhide a partition in Windows 10 or Windows 11. First, let's open File Explorer. As you can see, I currently have several drives showing here. Let's try to hide one of them. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Type diskmgmt.msc and press Enter. This will open Disk Management. Here, you can see all the drives and partitions on your computer. Right-click the partition you want to hide. Select Change Drive, Letter and Paths. Then click Remove and Confirm. Don't worry, this will not delete your files. It only hides the drive letter. Now, if we check File Explorer again, the drive is no longer visible. To unhide the partition, go back to Disk Management. Right-click the hidden drive. Select Change Drive, Letter and Paths. This time, click Add. Assign a new drive letter and press OK. Now, if we return to File Explorer, the partition is visible again. That's it. That is how to hide or unhide partitions in Windows 10 or 11. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.